Listen, listen, what's that sound? Hear it softly all around. Shh, be quiet, don't say a word. Listen close, what did you hear? Think, think, what could it be? Say the name. 1, 2, 3, it's a dog! Woof, woof! Listen again, don't go away. Another sound is on the way. Close your eyes and listen now. Can you guess it? Tell me how. Think, think, take your time. Say it loud, make it rhyme. It's a cat! Meow, meow! One more sound, ready to play. Listen closely, don't delay. Hear it clear, what's that sound? Guess it quick before it's found. Think, think, don't be slow. Say the answer, let it show. It's a duck, quack, quack. Listen, guess, clap, clap, clap. You did great, tap, tap, tap. Play again, don't delay. Let's guess sounds every day.